Hello and welcome back to Victory of the People YouTube channel. My name is Nico. I will be your host. Our mission is to fanatically empower families to shift their mindsets and overcome limited generational belief systems. So we are continuing on our journey, right? From seeing the vision all the way to making your first point of sale. So today we are going to cover something that is not as widespread as some other topics that we've covered here on this channel. But today we will be talking about fintech banking or financial technology banking. And so when I think about fintech, you think disruption, right? And I'll tell you exactly why you think disruption when you hear fintech banking. So fintech is the future of banking. And this is a Google definition that I got out there just so you can kind of get a broader view of what it actually means. And so, like I said, it means financial technology. And so financial technology banking, i.e. fintech banking. So it refers to software and other modern technologies used by businesses that offer automated and improved financial services. And so what does that mean? So things that would have normally taken weeks to go through or to be approved by an underwriter in a series of steps via your traditional bank, fintech banking has literally cut that in half, or I wouldn't even say in half. This is something that could be done within a day or two, if not shorter, depending on the bank and what type of blockchain technology they're using. So, areas of fintech. So, fintech is not just your or out there for business banking, right? So, fintech technology is on the personal side as well. And so they offer digital banking, payments. They have made it easier. Companies like Zelle is a fintech. So they offer blockchain technology, digital wealth management, are all areas that fintech have taken over. And so how do fintechs help small businesses? So, like I said before, they've definitely cut down the process, especially for loans and credit cards and opening any type of cash accounts or business debit accounts. Not only that, they're more lenient and flexible and less strict when it comes to their lending practices, right? Hope that makes sense. So, fintech banks do not have one regulator. And so, like traditional institutions, they could be controlled by, one regulator. Fintech banks do not have one regulator as of now, as of right now, when I'm making this video. And so it expands access to capital for small business owners. And so underserved areas, women-owned small businesses, minority-owned small businesses, immigrant-owned small businesses. It expands capital where prior they weren't able to get funding for their business, right? And so fintech has definitely opened up or leveled the playing field so that they have more access to funding and capital, right? So fintech services are cheaper. Account fees are just one of the many ways that they're cheaper. A lot of fintech banks don't charge for a monthly account or to keep your monthly account open or have monthly minimum balance fees. And so that is definitely a game changer whenever, small businesses don't have a lot of money, they don't have a lot of funding, and they're just trying to make it. And so fintech definitely levels the playing field and makes things easier for small businesses, especially minority, women, and immigrants. And so what traditional banks would do manually, like I said before, fintech banks have automated. So most, new account openings are automated, new credit cards are automated, and a lot of the loan processes are automated as well. And so in turn, fintech banks offer fast growing companies financing. And so they offer some tools to spend and grow faster. So fintech banks, like I said, they offer business credit cards. They offer cash and point rewards. So a lot of fintech banks, just off of a cash account or a business debit account, they offer cash rewards just for spending money from that card. And so it's not a credit card, it's literally your business debit card. You can earn rewards so that it can in turn help your company, because those rewards you can turn them into points for flights, for business trips. You can turn them into points for cash to go right back into your business account for funds that you can use immediately. They offer all sorts of kind of things, especially when opening accounts. They'll give you, $250 for opening a business account. So it's definitely beneficial to new and small business owners. So they have payment systems. So literally you can pay your employees from these cash accounts directly into their account. So you don't need a secondary company like ADP or Paychecks to pay your employees. You can literally do it all from your fintech banking profile. So obviously, with all this payment processing and money going in and out, they have extensive record programs. So the banks literally take all your information and they have it recorded. So any type of records, documents for taxes, anything, your fintech bank will have those on hand or have them available for you to access when you need it, right? So fintech banks, like I said, they offer early startups quick and reliable capital access. And some examples of some fintech banks, or some ones that I've heard of and some of the ones I've used before, are North One is a good fintech bank. Airbase, Divvy is a good one. They have that, total account management where you can pay employees and, get rewards for spending. Brex is another good one. They have, you know, the whole system where you can pay employees. They give you rewards for just spending money literally on your business account. They also offer business credit cards and loans. Ramp is another one. So there are a couple of downsides to fintech banks. So a lot of fintech banks don't have physical branches. A lot of them do have, customer service numbers or, online chat agents. However, the lack of physical locations is, a primary, or can be a primary downside to using a fintech bank. And if they do not use blockchain technology, it could put data or customer security, or could be a security risk, right? And so that is all I have for today. And so if you are enjoying this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And as we always say here at Victory of the People YouTube channel, you will have the victory over your life. I'm Nico. Have a good day.